Hi everybody, we are Building with Blocks, and today on Building with Blocks we're going to be looking at saving and sharing your creations with other people. So if we have built a beautiful model, whether it's one that we've gotten from somebody else and we've modified, or perhaps it's one we built ourselves from scratch, but when you're working with these models, here's a good example. You can not only use them for your own benefit here in Blocks and have fun building them, but you can then share them with other people, send them out on the internet, or exchange them with people to use in other programs like Blender or Unity. So today we're going to see how, now that we've built some of these models, how do we share them with other people? And the first thing we need to do is save that piece. So after we've made some new pieces here, let's get some... one more of these guys. We're going to select you guys. Well, let's select both of you guys. And duplicate. And set another one here. And grab you. And duplicate. And mirror. And turn you upside down. And then finally build this last wall here. Oops. Good enough. So now that I've built this castle, I have the option to save this castle. Now, if you've saved it once before, save a copy will make a separate copy, a duplicate, so that I could take one and change a little bit and still have the original as a separate file. Publish will take this and put it on the internet using the system called Poly. Poly.google.com. There's a song in there somewhere. This is a website on the internet. You can sign in when you hit publish. If you take off your headset, it'll actually bring up this website, and you can give it a name, let other people play with it, as well as browse and see what other people like. So we can do that right from our command console here. Publish connects directly to this website and saves things online. If you just choose save, either save or save a copy, this will actually save it locally on the computer that you're connected to. The moment you put Blocks on your computer, it made a file in the folder Documents. The folder it created is called Blocks. And inside Blocks, it's got a place for all the different models that you create. Each model you create will get its own folder, will be saved separately. When you first create them, it's just going to make a random name, just a bunch of letters. So each time you make a model, it'll be different. But you can then go in and rename that file. So documents/blocks/models, you can rename each model. So I could call this castle, just so I know which model is which. That model can then be imported into other programs. So anytime you use Blocks on your computer, it automatically makes this folder in your documents, and that's where it's going to keep everything. A save or save copy creates it in here. Publish creates it on poly.google.com for everybody else to share. That is the main way to exchange these things. Once you've saved it, you can now use your regular files and folders to transfer it to any program at all. It will automatically save it using several of the standard formats. OBJ. Let's not do this backwards. Here we go. OBJ. Yeah, that actually worked. These are the type of standard formats. FBX, GLB. These are the standard formats that it uses, which is compatible with most of those other 3D programs. So if you do use Blender or Unity, you can use these objects right in your program and use this to build the primitive and the more advanced program to do the texturing and the bones and skeletons and things like that. So today it's just a quick lesson on making sure you know if you do choose save, where it actually ends up and what type it's going to be and how you can use it. Rename it to anything you like to help you remember and share it with everybody else. Use it in animations, all sorts of fun stuff. Let us know what you have. If you do put something on Poly, let us know in the comments so everybody else can check out what you do and we can start exchanging models. Thanks for joining us. This was just a quick episode building with blocks, saving and sharing your models. Have fun.